Hey guys, so if we have the planet Earth and a basketball and we put a belt tightly around them, the radius of the Earth is about 6.371 million meters, and the radius of a basketball is about 0.12 meters. The circumference of the Earth is going to be 2 pi times the capital R, and the circumference of this ball is going to be 2 pi times the little r. So let's say we wanted to lengthen the belt so that we would end up having 1 meter gap all the way around both of the spheres. How long would we need to increase the belt for the Earth, and how long would we need to increase the belt for the basketball? Well, the new radius of the belt is going to be capital R plus 1 or little r plus 1. So we can say the belt circumference is equal to 2 pi times the new r, which is r plus 1, or times this new r, which is r plus 1. And next we can distribute this, so we get 2 pi times the capital R plus 2 pi times 1 is 2 pi. Or same thing down here, 2 pi times little r is 2 pi r, and then 2 pi times 1 is 2 pi. So let's look at the belt circumference. 2 pi capital R was the Earth's circumference, and then we're going to add 2 pi to that. And the same thing down here, this 2 pi little r is the ball circumference, and then we're going to add 2 pi to that. And then 2 pi is approximately equal to 6.28. Whether it's something as large as the Earth or as small as a basketball, increasing the length of the belt by approximately 6.28 meters gives us a 1 meter gap all the way around. And here's another intuitive way to think of it. If we have a square, let's pretend it's a huge square with side lengths 6.4 million across and down. So the perimeter of this thing is going to be 4 times that, which is about 25.5 million meters. Well, if we add 1 meter here and here, now we have a whole 1 meter gap right there. And if we add 1 meter here and here, we have a whole 1 meter gap right there. Then we can add here, put a gap here, and we can add 2 more meters to add a gap right here. So ultimately, by adding just simply 8 meters, we now have a 1 meter gap all the way around. Well, this 8 meters is very similar to the 6.28 from the circles. It's just circles are a little bit more efficient, so it doesn't require quite as much. How exciting.